Hello everyone, I am Max and today we will talk about such a type of industrial electrical equipment as a protective thermal cover. But first of all, why does this device belong to electrical equipment? The fact is that it not only protects the device inside of the effects of low temperatures in a passive way, but also has its design a self-regulating heating cable which can be energized automatically. And now let's take a closer look at it. Okay, such types of thermal covers not only protect the equipment from atmospheric influences, snow, rain or dirt, and to some extent from unauthorized access. If the temperature is too high or too low, the device may either distort the readings, give incorrect readings, or stop working altogether. Also, such covers protects various pipeline fittings such as walls and gate walls, and in general way are produced by many enterprises of various shapes and sizes. By the way, this thermal cover is presented by the Russian company Rizur. On one side it has a Velcro flap. Here it is. If you open it, you see a window through which you can read the readings of the device. For example, let's take a look. Here the pressure guide. Okay. Attached to the overside of the jacket is an electrical junction box for the power cable to power the heating cable. It's as you can see inside. It's explosion-proof type, so this thermal cover can be used in explosive areas. That is, whose areas where explosive gas or dust mixtures may be present. The shell fabric is coated with either silicone or polyurethane. This allows you to maintain elasticity from both at very low and at high temperatures. The fabric, of course, doesn't burn. Thermal insulation can be made of foamed artificial rubber, as you can see, or it can be mineral wool, depending on the requirements. Let's have a look at the terminal box. There is a cable entry and an adapter for a metal hose for additional protection. And now let's open the lid and see what's inside. Okay, let's take it away. Inside there are quick clamping contacts that supply power to the heating electric cable, as you can see, and the cable runs inside the cover. Okay, now I close it. The terminal box also explosion proof. And now let's take a look inside. Okay. Here you can see the heating cable. It's connected to the power by means of a coupling. Here it is coupling, as you can see. A terminal box, this, is attached to the cover from the outside, and as you can see, the cover can be installed or removed without disconnecting the device from the mains and without interrupting the process. Yeah, here is our device. Hop. Nice view. Okay, take it away. And now I will show you what kind of materials are used as thermal insulation. As I said, this is artificial rubber, a soft, pleasant material that does not suppose combustion. And here is mineral wool. It also doesn't burn and has very good characteristics. The materials are durable, so don't absorb moisture, and any bad microorganism don't multiply in them. This is how this review came about. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, don't forget to like. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye.